Look at that. There's one of those pesky critters right there. That one's been dead for quite some time, I must say. Okay, I'm heading over that direction. Trying to get underneath the pipe here and hold the video camera. Ooh. Okay, what do we got here? See? Looks like it just needs to be pushed up there. That's all. And if I get enough wire, see this one here, they didn't do any wire because it looks like it's a little less than 16 inch right there, and they just crammed it up there. And see, when you cram up insulation like that, you don't get the R factor as well. They should have trimmed it off. That stuff is probably 16 inch, and this should be about 14 whatever. And see, it's only like about 12 and a half on the inside. And they should have trimmed the insulation. The insulation is a good 16 inches, so it's 4 inches, 3.5 inches too wide. And they could have trimmed that off, and then it would have fit down there fine. They would have then had to cut their little wire supports a little shorter for this piece. Because see, right now, you think, what's the big deal, Joe? The more insulation, the better. Just cram it full. No. Because when you cram it in there, you get less of an R factor. You want it out and puffy like that instead of pushed together like that. How it's kinked up in there. You know, if I really wanted to, I could bring a piece of plywood down here, pull this down, trim it off, put it back up. I don't know. I'm probably not going to do that, but I'm just telling you. So when you get new construction, if you get a bay that's smaller, trim it. And I'm surprised. I'm quite surprised the inspector didn't catch that. Not a very good inspector. Shame on you, Mr. Inspector. I mean, I should have been an inspector because I can find anything wrong. You put me in a house, I'll find 100 things wrong. Different things that could be fixed, different things that are sagging, different things that need to be touched up, just all kinds of stuff. As you know, just like in here, I didn't know what I was going to find until I came out here. And I've pointed out quite a few different things to you so that now you can crawl underneath your house and you can see what's going on and feel comfortable thinking, hey, Joe's given me some tips, some different things to look at. Now go out there, review a few different videos that I've done and see what you can do underneath your house. And incidentally, just so you know, I've got another area underneath the house. This is just one area where I'm fortunate enough to kind of bend down and crawl through and kind of walk in certain areas. I've got another place down in another area. I'll do that another day, but it's way bigger than this. But I know I'm pretty sure I'm going to find the same types of things down underneath the other section of house. But when I get ready to do that, of course, I'll make a video just for you.